Welcome everyone to day 18 of Career Reboot Challenge. If you like movies like me, you must have noticed no movies get launched out of nowhere. They must have created a poster, teaser, trailer, audio launch, and so many promotions in the social media. Eventually, it must have created curiosity in the fan club and the movie get released. Similarly, we have to create our profile where people get curious to know about yourself, and eventually the hiring process will be much more easier. Let's see how we can get our profile done today. When I talk about profile, it is not just about creating resume with all the things that you have done so far. It is not going to be interesting for people to read, especially in the fast paced world. Nobody have time to read some 5 6 pages of resume. Let's see how we can do our profiling with a lot of meaningful content, and it is going to create curiosity for the people who wants to learn about you. The step number one is about collecting the data. That is C for collect. Collect all the data about yourself, whatever you have done so far in your life, about the projects, experience, your education, other courses, certifications, appreciations, volunteering, and other activities. Put everything together. Just collect all the data that you wanted to create about yourself. Step number two is about creating the content out of the data. Data is raw and people will not be interested in reading the data. How you can make it as an interesting content or like a story that is going to sell yourself. Let's say that you have 9 years of experience in web page content, but if you just write 9 years of experience in Java, Spring Boot, Cloud Natives, that is not going to create curiosity. Rather, you can talk about how many websites you have created, how many people are visiting the website, what is the content and what is the load the website can withstand, how that have increased the business profit from one percentage to the other percentage. All this thing will create lot of meaning for people even though they come from non-technical background, because your resume has to cross through multiple stages even before it goes to somebody technical who's going to interview you. So ensure you have the right keywords that is going to bypass through all the scrutinization happens. These days even apps do the screening, not the human beings. So you have to be really careful in creating your profile which can withstand all these kind of levels of filtering. Step number three is about customizing. Once you have the data and the content created, how you're going to customize it for the different platforms and domains. The resume will look different. The LinkedIn profile may require different level of data. Your blog post, your social media bio, every platform has a different level of acceptance of your profile. So how you can customize it and make sure that your visibility is much more created. So good luck with creating your profile today. I hope you enjoy the process.